Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to perform soft reset for your earbuds, HONOR Earbuds to Lite. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case. Then close the case and your earbuds now disconnected from your phone. You can check it if you go to the settings and Bluetooth or connected devices. So if you have iOS near to your earbuds, you will see the information not connected. If you have Android, it depends. Let's say if you have stock Android, it will move from media devices to save devices. If you have, let's say, Realme, you have under your earbuds information in use when it connected and no information when it disconnected. Okay, so after you disconnect them, we need to open the charging case and your earbuds reconnect to your phone automatically. But sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that you don't want to reconnect automatically. So if you have this problem, you need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and tap at your earbuds. And then it should reconnect with your phone. And with this method, you can fix a lot of small and sometimes big troubles with your earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.